What's up, everybody? It is your boy Jerome back at it with another video after a small and unexpected hiatus from YouTube for a couple of weeks. But don't worry, I'm back with your regularly scheduled program, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Mac Studio desktop computer and setting it up on this desk behind me because right now this desk is a nightmare. Yeah. Now, I'm sure some of you guys follow some tech YouTubers or have seen a tech YouTuber review some devices in the past. Those people are very into the specs and numbers. I'm not that guy. For those of you that have followed this channel from the beginning, you know that in terms of tech, I'm here for the regular people. I just want to know, does it work and is it better than the last one? That's it. And if you're a regular person just like me, make sure to smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm so I can make more videos like this and hopefully help some of you regular people out. So without further ado, let's head back to the desk and start opening up some of this stuff. I love stuff. Now that we're back at the handy dandy desk, let's go ahead and jump right into it, starting with the accessories. Probably shouldn't have done that so hard. My knife jumped a little bit. Still using the classic kitchen knife. That's what I'm used to. That's what I'm going to keep using. One thing to note here is that the Mac Studio is just like the Mac Mini, meaning that it actually doesn't come with any sort of accessories. So no display, no keyboard, no mouse, no trackpad. All of those things have to be bought completely separately. Oh my God, this is a very large box just to contain these two very small items. We've got the Magic Trackpad in black, of course, because I'm a pro, and the Magic Keyboard now with Touch ID, also in black because, again, I'm a pro. But I'm not gonna lie, that's literally the only two things in this box. I don't know why they gave me such a big box. Don't need that anymore. So let's go ahead and unbox these. As always, Apple has the most satisfying products to unbox of all time. Ooh, look at that. Let's oh man. How incredibly satisfying. One new thing to note here is that this new keyboard actually has Touch ID built right into it. Now, I'm pretty sure that the smaller versions of the keyboards have already done this with the introduction of the M1 iMac, but this is the first time that we see this full-size keyboard with the number pad include Touch ID, which is really nice to see. Inside this box, you've also got a USB-C to Lightning cable, braided, again, because this is for the pros, and pros only use braided cables. We all know that, but that's another fantastic thing. I could probably use this to charge my iPhone while I'm sitting here at the computer. I like that it's in black. First Apple cable that I've personally had that is black. And then, of course, as always, you've got your Apple stickers, blah, blah, blah. We don't need that. Magic Trackpad next. Ooh. Again with the satisfying. Yes. I love it. I love unboxing Apple products. Got the nice Apple logo right there on the back. Truthfully, I don't know why I bought this because it costs like $150, and I already have one in white. Wait 1 second. Had to go searching for it because it was in the basement, but I literally already have one of these in white. A little dirty because it's been in the basement, but yeah, I don't know why I bought this black one. I'm pretty sure I just completely forgot. But I guess I don't need this one anymore. No, I was gonna throw it, but It's still $150. I'm not gonna throw this. So with this Pro Magic Trackpad, again, another braided Lightning to USB-C cable. Nice. Thanks, Apple. And some Apple whatever's booklet thing that no one needs. But you're not here for the accessories. You're not here for the specs. You're here for the Mac Studio, which we're going to open right now after a word from our sponsor. Just kidding, I don't have sponsors, but that'd be funny though. That would have been like a perfect break to put that in there. No, okay, yeah, let's open it. Before we get into the unboxing as a whole, I just gotta say this machine is truly my dream machine that I have been waiting for. Now, currently my everyday machine is this 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro, which I purchased literally 2 months before they announced the very first M1 Apple Silicon Macs. Now, the specs themselves don't matter, but all you need to know is I bought a brand new computer that in 2 months there was a new model that was twice as fast. That's bad. Don't get me wrong, I love my MacBook Pro, but it struggles to edit 4K video in Final Cut Pro, which is literally exactly what I do when I make these videos. Now, like I said, a regular M1 Mac is about twice as fast as this computer. But the Mac Studio, though, this bad boy, it's got the M1 Max. This right here is actually just the baseline standard model of the computer, which comes in at $19.99 or with the education discount, $17.99, which I actually think is a fantastic deal. Because as a regular everyday person, this computer will be able to handle anything and everything that you throw at it. So that was a lot of me talking, but let's finally open this up. So one thing I love about Apple products, right, is the attention to detail. Everything is so easy to open, even this like outer box. It's a hefty boy. Ooh. Here we are, the Mac Studio. It's honestly a little bit bigger of a box than I expected. Let's get right into it. Ooh, look at that. So you've got your Apple stickers as always. Hey, where are my stickers? Where are my stickers? Oh, wait, no. It's in here. It's in here. Don't worry. Apple stickers, black, because again, it's for the pros. Then you got these two little side panels that we're just gonna, just like that, and you can grab this computer. I'm gonna set it to the side for a second, just so we can look at what's in here as well. We got a power cable. Of course, it's braided. Gotta be braided for the pros. And honestly, that is it. But look at how cool this box is. Like, I'm gonna have to keep this one. So now, to the star of the show. Let's try to get that satisfying peel as always. Ooh. Yes. Don't need that anymore. Here we have it. The first look at the brand new Mac Studio. You've got all your ports around back. You've got 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a Ethernet port, your power cable, 2 USBs, HDMI, headphone jack, power button. You've got all these holes here for air, because that's important for computers. Then on the front, you've got 2 more USB-C ports and an SD card slot, if you use SD cards a lot, like me. So now that we've got this fully unboxed, let's see if we can set up the ultimate regular person's desk setup. Well, thank you guys all for waiting patiently. This is the official ultimate regular person Mac Studio setup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want to see just how much faster this Mac Studio here is compared to my 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro, make sure to smash that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. I'm your boy Jerome, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.